Okay, here are my answers. I hope I did a good job. To solve for W, you divide by L, so you get the width is the area divided by the length, so a different re-expression of that same formula. And over here, PV equals nRT, I want to solve for T, so divide by nR on both sides, and T equals PV over nR. Okay, let me look at one more type here. It involves an additional step, but it's not too bad. The instructions are solve for y. Solve, and I'll move that up in a second, for y, and 3x plus 2y equals 6. 3x plus 2y equals 6. Okay, let me start scooching. Yeah, I'm a scooch it. Beautiful. All right. Well, I want to solve for y. And let me see what I need to do here. To solve for y, I know I'm eventually going to divide by that 2, but I'm not going to divide everything by 2 first. I'm going to get rid of this 3x first. I'm going to move it to the other side. So let me get rid of this 3x first. Minus 3x. Minus 3x. And I have some red I'm going to use over here. Choo! But these two do not cancel out. That's a 6, that's a negative 3x. They're not like terms. They don't combine. So my next line is going to be 2y is equal to 6. Just write it out. 6 minus 3x. Or you could write negative 3x plus 6, as long as the negative is in front of the 3x. Okay? So now next I'm going to divide by that 2. And that will cancel out those 2's. Whoops, yeah, let me be a little... Okay, that was too much work. Okay, so my final answer, y is equal to 6 minus 3x over 2. Okay, now I could have distributed the 2. I could have put 6 over 2 and negative 3x over 2 and then done a little bit there. But this is just as fine. This is just as good as that other way. Okay? Just make sure that when you divide on both sides, you divide everything. So don't neglect anything. Just like when we multiply to get rid of fractions, you have to multiply by everything. So divide by everything. It's the same idea. Okay? I'm going to give you one to try like this. The instructions are solve for x. Solve for x, solve for x. You're in class and you solve for x. Solve for x, and let's say 2x plus my is equal to 10. 2x plus my equals 10. Go ahead and try that.